Good morning. This is Eng Suraj Singh, professional engineer. I am continuing my series for the civil engineering building practice. I have completed six series. Now it's the seventh one, and probably this will be one or two more. So let us go to the buildings again and start seeing the sketches, please. This is a building plan. You can see in three dimensions. This is giving three dimensions. Last time I showed to you certain other sketches such as this and this, etc. Now this is 3D simple house of about 500 square yard, 420 square meter plot area, and this is one side, one view. It is showing balconies, windows, doors on three sides, and one pergola on the roof terrace, certain compound walls. Just for the purpose of information, means how it will be done by engineers. And there is a gate here on the boundary wall. And we go to the next sketch of this one. This is another sketch on the other side, other view, and it is showing gate here, entry gate with boundary wall. Also a driveway. You can see the driveway. And three-story bedroom area, terrace, pergola and stair cover, and also have another view of the same other side view. Just to see how the views are seen, how can you see the different angles and different sides, different elevations. These are actually elevations in isometric form. By construction of certain such sketches for in connection with any building in three-dimensional form, isometric form, it becomes very clear what is going to be constructed actually. It's like an external model, not internal one. External model of any house, though it is based on isometric formation. It works, it gives information to the designer, to the engineer, to the design engineer, to site engineer. You will see in a dotted point form, the other sketch, just for the purpose of differentiating the views. You can see other elevations the same way as I did in the last one. It's also giving a true sketch in three dimensions. From the left side, it is the other side. In the rear, you can say and then let's go to where is other. Now this is the plan of this building, plan of that three-dimensional sketch. This is basement. This is basement. This is ground. Ground floor. Settings of ground floor. This is a line plan, not a developed plan, just a line plan. Then let us go to the first one. First floor. Also line plan. And then move to the next one, second floor. Also the line plan. Just for information purpose, indicative information, not even true information. Indicative information just to let you apprise what can be done in the field to give as much help possible to the designer as well as to the executor, to the contractor, to the builder, and to the owner itself. Owner can understand very well what is going to be done. And this is shaded drawing of the previous one. All shaded drawings of the previous one, as I said, just for more clarity. This architectural beauty, it should be in color, but here it is shown in black and white as I did not do coloring on this. This is photograph from the book taken, black and white. Let's go to the view again in shaded form. Shaded form view again. I'm just zooming so that no need of showing again and again in details. Next sketch also in zoom form. I think it will just give information. It's okay. I think so. Now let's go to another one. Another house. Built up house it was. Just took all measurements from site and produced the construction of the drawing, construction of the isometric of that, for the purpose of some reason which has nothing to do here, but it is only technical work. And again, other direction of the same building. This is a longitudinal direction of the same building. Let me take this way. Yeah. So both views you can see now. These are both views are same. And this is like other direction, and we'll go to the other one. This is the line plans of that building. I will start with the ground one. This is the ground one. Actually, the length is more than the width. That's the problem in this building. It's congested. It looks like congested, but that's actually there's a fact. See the other plan. Then the next one. Particularly in Delhi, you will find such irregular shapes, such unpleasant sizes, but can't be controlled. Because these are old unauthorized areas, probably unauthorized buildings which have been built in the past, and there was no control in those days. Still, there is no control. I'll go to some schemes now. Schemes means any conception, any concept of any building. This is X-shape. X-shaped building. Just X-shape at least can be used for any purpose. This is X-shaped building with surrounding pavements. And no major details, but just a look. And it is another sketch of the same building, and also it was proposal for someone many years back. It was a proposal, but it was not accepted. And you can see Z shape isometric. You may see X cross shape isometric, and you can see H shape isometric, and you can see T shape isometric. This is just general, and this is a full development of X. I think I sealed that one. Let's go to the, I think it's the same one with no measure. I had given a note for the structural engineers, for the architects, which I'll tell you later on, but now let's go to the sketches. The sketches, the shape of a building is this. You can see, it's very dim. If you go closer, you will find a triangle, and all three sides of the triangle equally extended to form an elevation, and that is the concept. That is a good concept for the construction of a single building. You can see the various floor lines there. This is just a concept for the development of the setting out, just an imaginary sketch. So I'm calling it concepts of structural profiles in general. These are line works and the aids for the engineers and for the architects. I think it's the same. So let's move forward. Yes, this is a pentagon shape. Pentagon shape, extended size, as was in triangle. This is pentagon. It also looks nice, multi-stories or high-rise. This is extended all sides, all 5 sides extended, and this can give a good look to the landscape as well as to the site vistas. Very simple building now. Very simple. It is just square extended sides as before, and the same patterns. Same patterns you can see very well. All the sides are extended and all lines of the floors speaking the language, same language. This provides a rhythm of architecture of the site, a good rhythm. Now, a different type of shape. Sides are equal, angle is not 90, not from orthogonal, but this is extended to sides only. Different concept, simple concept, very simple concept. Maybe you have seen some here, but I didn't see. This gives a, because in combination of the same sketches, we can plot a big complex. And now we go to parallel lines concept, parallel and cross line. Two lines are parallel and one line is cross. This is the building. Two lines in parallel, one line in the middle, not perpendicular to that, but at an angle, so that a good view is created, good aesthetic is created, generated. And we can talk now of an arrow, though it's a different arrow, but it looks like as an arrow. I have not given dimensions because there's no meaning of dimensions at this stage. There's only a concept. Depending on the size of the plot, dimensions can be calculated, created, generated. But this is a theme only, a concept, pure concept. Go to the other one, beautiful, different, complete different. You see, there's a cross, then there's a connection of cruciform, which I told you before also. It's a line work of the same, I understand. So I should not concentrate more on this. I should move further. And let us say swastik and cruciform conjunctions. I did before also. So just have a look on the line work for your better understanding. I think it's over. Now we will move to question mark. Big question mark. The question mark is a question in itself. So this is the question mark. So you must not be surprised what question I had raised actually. It's only building in question shape. A building in question shape is a question mark shape. Mark of interrogation we call it in English. Mark of interrogation. So we are moving on that in aerial view in the form of a big building. Mark of interrogation. Now we will move to another mark. That is, you see yourself, what is this? Can you recognize? Can you identify what it is? I leave it to you. You see what it could be. You can name yourself. Just a view, just a conception, a vision. Now another arrow. Bow and arrow you can say. Half, partly bow and partly arrow. Partly bow and partly arrow. Can you make building like this? I think the answer should be yes. Why can't we do? Engineers can do anything. The engineer itself is an impossibility. Making possible the impossibility is engineer. That's the definition of engineer. So I teach you now what is A for apple, B for boy, and C for cat. Is it? So I put all together apple, boy and cat, apple, boy and cat, ABC. The first letter, 3 letters of English. These are the buildings in ABC shape. Well, it's same as, let's go to another considerable shape. You see, I'll just move it. It's just so it's clear. This is the shape, is this shape. Previously it was extended 2 sides, now I close both sides of these different varying shapes, irregular shapes, and this is the true line. By closing, first closing this camera closer, and there's the other one. Now I'll show you this way. You can see this way, is it? This is like this. I'll go to another one. I think I don't feel bored, so I'll go to another one. And now this is this one. Maybe you can say electrical, in electrician, you give you flask in your hand, flask, plier, you can say pliers. It's like a plier. Maybe it is a laughing stock, but building can be designed as a plier also. There's no harm as far as architecture is concerned. It will look very nice. It will look very nice as it is looking in the sketch. It's not bad. And we'll move to another sketch, that is, you can see different type of combinations and extensions of those, which are very important from engineering viewpoint. This is what it is called. Well, there's no name for this, but you can generate your name yourself. It's a very big building. It should accommodate many flats on each floor. Let's move to, what do you call it? Just think, what can you call it? Maybe you have seen it at some locations for institutions and institutional judiciary, Nyayalaya, courts. Symbol is shown like a libra, like a balance. It's like a balance. Taraju. Just the symbol of justice, the symbol of Nyay. This is also a very big building, and it's giving you a view as such. See yourself, it's nice. And this is where balance. A very simple again, square and extending diagonals. Extended diagonals. The square, extend diagonals. Previously we extended the sides. Now diagonals have been extended. The diagonals are in the imaginary form, while extension are a part of the building in reality. And different, very different. See this? You see, different type of view. We start from this side, go on this, we'll find diverging action from a point to a divergent action of the building. See the divergence? How the divergence is seen in this sketch. You can see at an angle divergence is there and will look very nice if placed in combination with this shape itself. Once again you see it in this form. And we move back to next building is the triangle and extensions of the corners through the middle point of the others. You can say it's not triangle, but principle is the same. Same principle. And extension of that. This is what it is. Means completely different concept. And now, for another one, also a very simple plier. Previously it was a complicated, now it's very simple plier. Very simple plier. Very simple plier. Means so simple ideas, and so artistical, so aesthetical buildings, giving different type of cultural rhythm, and various complexes can be produced as such. Now let's go to mathematical formula, which all of you know, elementary formula. You know what? You know, pi is here, pi and r, and the power is 2, pi r square. This is area of a circle where radius is r. Pi, you know, pi is 22 divided by 7, 3.1416. Is that formula in mathematics? To find the area of a circle whose radius is r, and value of pi is a constant, 2 is the power. This is the pi r square building. And then we move to a different type of building, which is a symbol of Britain, tools, British rulers, and they had a symbol on their flag. Is that just a different kind of architecture can be created using this, though it looks congested, but it is beautiful. It's beautiful scene, beautifully seen. I'm just closing it to the paper so that it's a little clear to you, because it is dim when I keep it focused up. So it's now like this, and you can see it looks nice while we keep a feeling revolving, So this is very nice building. And let's go to another one. It's also very nice. Square and cruciform and 3 or you see. This is square. This is cruciform or a cross, you may say, not cruciform, cross. Cruciform, you can say cruciform also. This is the building. We will move it to another one, which is, now you see what it is. Very complicated building, but shape is good. You see what it is. If you believe in double triangles reversed together, this is Mata Shakti symbol in Bharat, Mata Devi, Shakti symbol, God symbol. This is symbol in various countries, but for Bharat this is very important. For Israel it's also very important because they use it on the synagogues, it is on the temple. It's very important. Equilateral triangles placed together in reverse directions, centered. This is that. See? This is what it is. You can see hexagon in the middle, small triangles around, and this is a very beautiful building, and this is the same, but corners are not squared. It's like a beautiful flower, You can see this. You are feeling flying in the air over the buildings. And it's not building like that. It's having 5 corners, 5 ends. This is the shape of star. Shape of star. 5 corners, 5 points. 5 points. Good one. It's very beautiful. Similarly, see the next one. Same type 5, but without additional construction at the ends. Simply, it's very simple. Very simple it is. You can see that. I hope you like it. And now this is another one. Another sketch. This is, you can know what it is. It is like a coffin. A small building within the shape of a coffin. Maybe you don't like coffin. It's just for just for sketch only. Forget that it's a coffin. It's not a coffin. It's a boat. What's the box? And now we'll go to a coffin number or devil number, and that is this. Devil according to Bible, and tension according to applied numbers, and work according to Vedas, thinking according to Vedas. This number 6, just nothing, and a series of 2, series of 2, like a snake, this dot curve, and the similar sketch, but a different understanding. It's small, you may say D or A, anything. I will not talk beyond that. Just sketch. Consider just sketch something else. And then very different and very important as well is now religious symbol. This is a religious symbol. Om. Om, the top power of universe. Om, top power of the universe, without which nothing is possible in this world. Nothing happens without this. Everything assimilates into this symbol, into this voice, and we feel proud of that. The energy of the universe is everything. Concentration is in this, and evidence is in this. And we'll move to another sketch now. This is a damru shape. You know, damru which a monkey player uses. It's like that. Damru. And we should go to a different one. Very, very simple sketch. Very simple. So simple. You can see. And then another one, so simple. So simple it is as well. I should move to the other one. so simple. So simple. Good one. And again, like before, but different way. It's a rhombus and extended sides. Rhombus with extended sides. Good also, not bad. And you can see this different type. You see 5 squares, one in the middle, 4 at the corners. Center, middle square, and 4 at the corners of the square. 4 squares at the corners of squares. And this is Sanskrit called Alankar Ekam Kal. Ekam Kal it is. Vaheguru Khalsa Ekam Kal. Sikh Dharam, Sikh Panth. We respect all religions. Ekam Kal. And my video is also going to expire after 1 minute or 2, 1.5. So I'll try to give as much as possible in this small duration left. I don't think I will be able to complete this. All sketches, whatever I wanted to give. So I will have to make another one. So it's another one, only 50 seconds left. So this is another one, a big boat. It's not a boat actually, it's like a irregular shape, but it looks nice. You can see. I think this is the last sketch. I can go more than this. It is not allowing me due to memory. Due to memory problem, I cannot go more than this. And only there are many sketches left now. Many sketches have been left, which I will take in another video. Well, this is the same triangle, and on the sides of the triangle